Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find out only small, medium, large, huge and gigantic files present in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So here we're not going to use any third-party software, so we'll use the inbuilt Windows File Explorer. So what you need to do, just open this PC and you can see the File Explorer, right? So on the right corner, that is the top right corner, you can see a search this PC, right? Just click on it, and now here, suppose you want to search the small size files only on your Windows computer, then what you need to do is you need to type size, just type size and colon and type small. So you need to type this command for the small size files. So on the right side I'll be presenting the small size, means the file size that is less than 1 MB, so it will be in the KB. So after typing this words in the search box, just hit enter on your computer keyboard. Now it will start searching for all the files that are less than 1 MB. So you can see all are in the KB, that is the kilobytes, not the megabytes. So all the displayed files will be less than 1 MB since you have select small size files. So for the this is for the small size file. So what about the medium size file? So similarly, like the earlier, just change the small and type medium. So here the file size will be in between 1 MB to 128 MB. So after typing this name, just hit enter, and now you can see the file size that will be displayed here will be of medium size, that is from in between 1 MB. So suppose you can see 1.16 MB and it's larger, the maximum up to 128 MB in case you are searching for a medium size file. So if you're willing to search for a large size file, so just do the same, just change the medium and type large and hit enter. Now in the case of the large, the file size that will be displayed will be in between the 128 MB to maximum up to 1 GB. So you can see here it's bigger than 128 MB, and if it finds, you can see here 1 GB, up to the 1 GB it will display. So what about more bigger size? So here you need to type just bigger than the 1 GB, then you need to type here huge. Just type huge and hit enter. So in case of huge, the files that will be displayed will be in between 1 GB to maximum up to 4 GB. So you can see it's more than the 1 GB, so 1.89, almost 2 GB, and you can see 1.24 GB, 1.06 GB. So you can see, and maximum file size that will be displayed here will be up to the 4 GB. And what about bigger than the 4 GB? So for this you need to type a name, gigantic. So if you want to search a file which is bigger than 4 GB, then you need to type a name gigantic. So after that, just hit enter. Now all the files that will be displayed here will be in between the 4 GB and maximum up to the infinity size files. So in this way you can find out only small, medium, large, huge and gigantic files in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then definitely you should try it out, and I'm sure it will gonna help you if you are in the need of someday to find out only small, medium, large, huge and gigantic files present in Windows computer. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.